Hello people, welcome to another new study vlog. This is a 3-day study vlog. Actually, I've thought to make a week vlog, but due to some reasons, I have made it into a 3-day study vlog. And hope all of you are doing good, and I'm also fine, doing good. And so, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Yes, these are my goals for this week, and I just want to spend around 60 hours on studying. So yeah, let's see. So yes, good morning. It's around 10:15 in the morning now, and this is how all it looks like. And yes, these are my targets for now, for today. So yeah, I have started my first study session of the day here. So here I'm going through socio as it is my optional, and I'm just referring to the notes that I have prepared and just studying from that, and just adding notes from some books. And this study session is for about 3 hours long, from about 10:15 a.m. to 1 p.m. And here I'm going through a reference book of sociology, and actually I have found this taking a nap after second study session, and then I've started my study session 3 in the evening at around, and I'm doing geography here. And this study session, I think it is in the evening. It is from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I'm here going to geography, and it is really too sunny. And this is my evening study session of the day. And in this study session, I'm just listening to a lecture, listening to a class of geography probably. And yeah, so after that, in the evening at around 7:30 or so, I've started watching economy class. I'm listening to economy class and just preparing notes out of that. So I started this session actually very late, around 7:30, and yes, now it's around 10 in the night, around 9:45 in the night. So now I'll have my dinner. So yeah, I'm done with my dinner, and yeah, done with all the tasks of today. So here I'm writing my diary of the day for the day. Yeah, it is March 29th today. So here I'm writing my diary, and yeah, done with all the tasks of the day. But I have not read newspaper. Actually, for 3 days I just want to stop that. For 50 hours and 59 minutes before I reach the goal. So yeah, let's see. Yes guys, this is the day 2, and good morning. It's around 10 in the morning now, and actually I've roughly planned today, but I did not made a to-do list for today. So here I'm preparing my to-do list for the day, and I have a lot of subjects to do today. So yeah, let's see, hope all goes well. And yes, this is my first study session of the day. Actually I've started the day with economy session. I'm watching economy class here. I did this session for about 3 hours, from about 10 a.m. in the morning to 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and I have took very short breaks in between. With short breaks in between, this study session is for about 3 hours. So yes, this is all about my first study session of the day, and then I've completed this session at about 1 in the afternoon, and now I'll just switch on to another subject. Yes, probably I'm here. Yeah, I'll do sociology in this study session. So yeah, these are my references for sociology, and yeah, let's just start with that. So here I'm doing, preparing a rough sketch on what to study for this chapter, for this particular topic. So I'll just prepare a rough sketch of what to read for that, for any particular topic in sociology optional, and I'll just go through that accordingly. So these are all that I need to go through to complete this particular topic. So yeah, after preparing this, I'll just start this study session of sociology now. So yes, here I am going through sociology, some reference book here of sociology, and this is the afternoon session. After completing the first study session at about 1 in the afternoon, I've just immediately I've started this second study session of sociology, and just going through the reference of sociology. And yes, it's around Oh, it's too late, and I haven't had my lunch yet. So I'll have my lunch, and then we'll start the another study session. Yes, after the lunch, I've started this study session. Again, I'm going to the lecture of sociology, and then had a break in the evening time. And actually, I've forgot to film the video in the evening. Yes, good morning. Started the day with puja today, and actually, yeah, it's around 11 in the morning now, and I need to start my study session of the day. So, yeah, let's get started. So, yes, here I'm doing my first study session of the day, and I'm going through sociology notes here. Sorry, sociology reference book here, as I have a lot of pending work to complete in sociology, and I've just started my day with sociology, and probably I'll take so long today for completing that all that today. So mostly all this day I'll be doing sociology. So yes, here and from morning to evening I've just worked on sociology and read from reference book and made notes, and yeah, all about sociology today. So yep, in the evening I've gone out for a puja in temple. So yeah. So yes, back from temple, and it's around 8:30 or so in the night. So yeah, this is where I just want to stop my vlog. So yeah, see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.